In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in your Asana. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to enhance your productivity by integrating Asana with Microsoft Teams using the API. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Asana. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and log in to successfully access your workspace. Once you're in your Asana, navigate to the project where you'd like to integrate the Microsoft Teams app. Once here, you'll notice some options in the top bar. Look for the button labeled Customize. Click on Customize, and a panel will slide out from the right side of the screen, giving you a host of options to modify and enhance your project setup. Within this Customize panel, you'll see several tabs. Locate the tab labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will present you with a variety of applications that you can integrate into your Asana setup. Among these options, you should be able to find the Add button. Go ahead and click on Add. This action will open a new set of options. Now, you'll need to locate the Microsoft Teams app. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to find Microsoft Teams, and once you spot it, click on it. This will take you to another screen where you'll see the button Add to Project. Select this option to move forward with the integration process. Once you've clicked Add to Project, the next step is to connect Asana with Microsoft Teams. You should see an option that says Connect to Microsoft Teams. Click on this, and it will start the authorization process, essentially allowing Asana and Microsoft Teams to communicate with each other efficiently. This part is crucial as it sets up the connection needed for the API to function. During the connection process, you'll be prompted to authorize certain permissions. This is where you will click on the Allow button. Authorizing these permissions is necessary for the API to link and automate tasks between Asana and Microsoft Teams. Make sure to review these permissions to ensure you are comfortable with the level of access provided. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Teams into your Asana project using their API. This integration will now enable you to automate workflows between the two applications, receiving notifications, updates, and much more directly within your project interface. Not only is it a major time saver, but it'll help improve your team's productivity by offering seamless cross-platform functionality. That wraps up today's tutorial on using APIs in Asana. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.